fashion shows about fashion anymore? Or have they turned into just another red carpet? When Bollywood stars take the spotlight, do designers lose theirs? Let's rewind a bit. Fashion shows, once the sacred space for designers to showcase vision, craft, and innovation, have morphed into something else. Today, they look more like fan meets than platforms for fashion. Front rows are filled with influencers filming reels, and the most anticipated moment when a Bollywood actor struts down the ramp as the showstopper. But here's the big question: is the showstopper stopping the show or stealing it? Let's talk about what just happened at Lakme Fashion Week. Designer Rahul Mishra, globally respected, known for his commitment to slow fashion and hand embroidery, had the perfect stage to celebrate Indian craftsmanship. Instead, all anyone could talk about was Janhvi Kapoor's catwalk, with the show becoming all about her. A moment that should have been about intricate embroidery and sustainable storytelling became all about a stiff walk and a viral meme, while the professional models walked quietly behind her in utter professional manner, but with no attention to them or the outfits they carried. And she's not alone. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Kiara Advani, Shahid Kapoor, Ananya Pandey. The list of celebrities roped in as showstoppers is growing faster than the hemline of a high fashion gown. The cameras flash more for them than for the clothes. Headlines scream, Kareena slays in metallic gown. But who designed it? What was the collection called? What was the theme? It's all lost in the noise. Fashion shows were supposed to be about telling a story through fabric, structure, and imagination. The designer is the director, the models are the medium, and the ramp is the stage. But somewhere along the way, designers became background actors in their own productions. Influencers, many with little to no fashion expertise, now get prime seats simply because of their follower count. And some even end up walking the ramp. Visibility has become more valuable than vision. Virality has replaced virtue. Designers quietly admit the pressure is mounting. Sponsors want reach, audiences want spectacle, PR wants the next viral moment. And in this chase, the clothes and the craft are reduced to props. So, where does this leave the art of fashion? Can the ramp still be space for experimentation, risk, and originality? Or has it become just another backdrop for celebrity promotion? If we forget the hands that make the garment, the minds that dream the design, and the traditions they represent, are we really celebrating fashion or just using it? That's the big question. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section. This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Favors TV for more such content.